Pool Payday weekly challenges can stop tracking when the app fails to register an action correctly, and repeatedly completing the same task usually will not fix the missing progress. By the end, you'll know which checks to make before repeating a challenge, when to refresh the app, and what information to collect if the progress still stays unchanged. First, check the exact challenge requirement inside Pool Payday. Some challenges track a specific action rather than general gameplay, so completing a similar action may not count toward the objective. Open the weekly challenge screen and read the requirement carefully before trying it again. If the requirement is correct but the counter is still unchanged, completely close Pool Payday and reopen it. Then check the challenge again. This forces the app to reload its current account and challenge information, instead of relying on the screen that was already open. Next, make sure you are using the same Pool Payday account that originally received the challenge. If you recently signed out, changed accounts, or reinstalled the app, verify the account details before completing additional games. Progress connected to another account will not necessarily appear on the account you are currently viewing. The next step is checking your connection. If the app loses its connection while an action is being recorded, the game result and challenge progress may not update together. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then reopen the challenge page and check the counter again. Also check whether Pool Payday has an available app update. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Pool Payday, and install an available update. If the problem started immediately after an update, avoid repeatedly completing the challenge until you confirm that the progress is actually being recorded. For Android, you can also clear the Pool Payday cache through the app settings. This removes temporary files without intentionally deleting your account data. On iPhone, the equivalent troubleshooting step is to close the app, and, if necessary, reinstall it after confirming that your account is properly connected. If none of these steps changes the challenge counter, take a screenshot showing the weekly challenge requirement and your current progress. Keep the screenshot, your device type, and the Pool Payday app version available when contacting support. The key points are simple. Verify the exact requirement, refresh the app and connection, and confirm that you're using the correct account. Your next step is to reopen the weekly challenge screen and check whether the counter updates after a fresh app launch. If this fixed your Pool Payday challenge tracking problem, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.